Just checking out this job site here where an air conditioner was removed, completely removed. The copper tubing was cut and it was taped with tape from our trade, basically covering up the tube that was cut. That's also happening here, and again, tape from our trade covering up the wires. And then this is the 240 volt power supply that is dangling basically on the ground right here without any protection of anybody touching these wires. If you go up here to the disconnect box, there is no locking mechanism. This box is not locked. Anybody can open this, and they can turn on the breaker that's turned off and not realize that that will energize the wiring that's sitting here on the ground. So it's a very dangerous situation. This needs to be locked. This wiring needs to be capped off with some wire nuts.